A very good morning and namaskara, Belgavi. With me, I have a very good friend of mine from the medical fraternity and a very well-known face of Belgavi, Dr. Ravi Patil. And we are going to ask him what's his vision and plans for North Belgavi as well as the city. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
Doctor, what's your manifesto and vision for Belgavi North?
Belgavi constituency, as I'm noticing, we have got a shortage of water, drinking potable water.
Yes.
So we have to increase the quantity of water and the clean water for drinking water for the public, because they should not suffer from any of the diseases. Secondly, the drainages are not properly done since the last 20-30 years. So I would like to develop the drainage system properly so that the diseases can be controlled. And thirdly, the roads. Roads are also not in a very good condition. You have to provide the very good roads. With that, what happens? The communication improves and the business in the Belgaum city also improves. Along with that, I would like to develop the railway station, bus stand and airport, so that lot of communication increases in Belgaum city and the business develops in Belgaum city.
We have also planned something for the green cover, which we are missing in Belgavi.
Yeah, actually, I want to increase the battery operated vehicles like city buses, auto and cars and the bikes, so that we can reduce the carbon pollution into the city. Along with that, increasing the plantation, which I am doing since last 10-20 years. So I want to increase the number of plantation in Belgaum city and maintain the greenness in the Belgaum city.
So you want to focus more on green energy and
Yes, I want to
renewable
focus
energy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Looking at the current congested market, what have you planned? Because whenever we spoke to a lot of people over there, we lack space of parking, we lack space of multi-level parking, and commuters find it very difficult, which in turn hampers the traders' business.
Yeah,
Business.
we have to increase the parking space.
Okay.
So multi-level parking I'm planning, and once I increase the parking, automatically the business improves, because there are most of the people come in a car. If the parking is not available, then the or traders lose the business. So main priority is widening of the road and increasing the parking. That's what I'm planning for.
Since many years, there isn't any new spaces created or new housing schemes created. What's your plan about that?
Actually, the socially economical low people, we are
Okay.
planning to increase the number of houses so that they can stay comfortable, preferably the old age people and old age homes. I want to improve and provide them a very good health care for the senior citizens. This is what I'm planning.
So, are you planning any various yojnas of the center over here?
Yeah, of course. All the schemes which are coming for the old age, orphans, and the SC, ST people, and all other community, that I want to give it to them. They should reach to the public from the center and the state both.
Sir, the education ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು view ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what's your vision about education? Because ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬಾ talent ಇದೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
Yeah, Belgaum is known for medical education, because since our medical college is 100-year old,
Okay.
Dr. Prabhakar Kore sir is the pioneer, and because of him, a lot of people got the education and the job. I'm always thankful to Dr. Prabhakar Kore sir. Along with that, Maratha Mandal, Bhartesh College, these are all the institutions, and Sheikh College. These all the institutions have given a very good improvement in medical education in the Belgaum city. We have to give a lot of scope to these institutions who are running the schools, colleges. With this, what happens? The people get a good education and they can become independent in the life. Lot of Belgaum school colleges have been very good standard. Because of that, people from Maharashtra, Goa come for education to Belgaum. As Belgaum climate is very good, the children also find it very comfortable to stay and study.
Sir, you being a doctor, now Benki sir in his last 5 years term has put his best efforts to improve the district hospital. Now you realize, being a doctor, sir, the number of beds versus the population what we have. Do you think it justifies that?
No. Actually, what has happened is Anil Benke sir has improved the government hospital. I still improve it, still more than that, and I maintain it, because I am from medical background. So I know in and outs of hospital. So I'll still improve the hospital and try to increase the beds and give a better care, so that all poor people in Belgaum district can take the facility from there.
So can we expect a doctor to remodel the entire hospital for the benefit of the poor, like the latest infrastructure, the latest machineries, what is to be put
Yeah,
in place.
entirely cannot be changed at a time. Gradually upgrade the hospital to the next level and increase the number of doctors and the staff so that poor people get more treatment and a better treatment.
I really appreciate your answer on this, sir. You have not upfrontly told that I will do it immediately, but over the gradually the period of time you'll do it. Sir, we have a lot of problem in terms with the city corporation giving licenses, trade licenses, which they find, there's no single window clearance. So, do you want to work on it?
Yeah, actually, I want to give a scope to the all the businesses
Okay.
in Belgaum city, including the construction, real estate, and all other trades, education, hospitals, so that if the business increases, our younger generation get the jobs. Otherwise, they have to go to Pune, Mumbai. They have to stay away from their parents. The most important thing in Belgaum city is job creation. For that, anybody wants to start a factory, any new business, I'm going to support them in all the levels: Belgaum level, Bangalore level, Delhi level. Whatever work is there, I'll do it for them, and without any corruption.
In recent time, just I think a month and a half ago, we have seen increased number of crimes in teenagers. Okay, there's a stabbing that has happened, and there's a drug case that has happened in school children's, which has led to something very horrific with a girl. So, how do you tackle? Because this is also a very important aspect of a city. Because if the youth is gone into the wrong hands, then we'll have to suffer a lot. What are your views about it, doctor?
Actually, I'm going to conduct a meeting between the police department and the school college management and the staff, so that this type of incidents should be stopped. I request all the parents to observe on the child and do not pay excess money. And along with that, I'll tell the teachers and the management to keep a check on the children.
So, any safety measures are going to be taken around schools and colleges?
Yes, safety measures will be taken around the schools and colleges.
Okay. Sir, what about we in North? There's a big bottleneck called as cantonment. The cantonment being attached to the city, a lot of development is hampered. So, how do you want to tackle that situations?
I want to have a meeting with the cantonment board and take a suggestions from them and take a suggestion from the seniors in Belgaum city. So I want to reduce that bottleneck and then improve the infrastructure so that the space can be properly utilized.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are your views about the appreciation of the existing parks and the recreation centers, sports complexes that have been built? I think it was way built back when during Firoz Seth's term, but we haven't seen any more improvement on that during Benkes's term. Be it the swimming pools, the badminton club, there's a lot of things that is there. So, what activities and what focus you want to give on sports?
The priority has to be given to the health. Health is wealth. Unless we spend at least 1 hour for ourselves, either in the form of gymming, swimming, sports, walking, whatever way they like, that is compulsory for everyone. And Belgaum people are aware of it. I don't find the number of people who are going for the exercise here is not there in any other places. So Belgaum people love sports. Belgaum is known for the sports, especially swimming, badminton, tennis, cricket. Our Belgaum teams are represented nationally, internationally also. I want to give a more importance to the sports. All the grounds will be upgraded. All the gardens will be cleaned and upgraded, and we will increase the swimming pools and the sports complexes in Belgaum city, because that is very essential for the coming generation.
How about the new routes to the airport?
Yeah, we are planning for the flyovers and metros, so that the ground level is also not disturbed, and the heavy vehicles and the people who are going to the airport, they'll be diverted from the flyovers.
Okay.
So this is what we are planning for, and metro also we are planning for.
Okay, sir. So one more thing is that I would like to ask you. We know that the North is divided on the basis of religion this time, and I mean we have a lot of candidate towards the Hindu side. We have one candidate towards the Muslim side. So how do we take it, sir?
Belgaum has got a metropolitan culture.
Okay.
Here, caste is not very important. Your ability matters. If the person is capable, people vote for me, and that is not going to make any difference because educated people and all other people are with me. So I'm going to get more number of votes. I'm confident the religion will not really make a big difference.
So you think this religion will not make very difference?
Yeah.
Yesterday there was I mean, from the senior leaders of the Congress, there was something regarding with the ban of some organizations. How do you take it, sir?
They should not say that. That should not be done also. Bajrang Dal is one of the backbone for our BJP, and those are the people who really work. They are like a second defense in the city. See, the outside the defense people control our country, but inside also we need. So Bajrang Dal has to be promoted, and we should give a scope to it.
So Dr. Ravi Patil takes it as a defense mechanism that organization is here.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. If Dr. Ravi Patil has to appeal to his voters, what would be his appeal?
I would like to develop the Belgaum city. The main motto is to develop the Belgaum city and give a very good, healthy life to everyone. So I want to tell all the Belgaum citizen, all my friends and relatives, and brothers and sisters that development will be the major issue which are going to work on it.
Thank you so much, Ravi Patil sir, talking to us. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you so much for being with us.